Today's word is hypothetical. What does it mean? When do you use it? What's the difference between theoretical and hypothetical? Let's find out these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start. How do you pronounce this word? It's hypothetical. There are 5 syllables, and the third one is stressed, thet. Hypothetical. It means something that's assumed and not established. It has no evidence in support. It is like a proposition or a set of propositions. It's a mere explanation for some event or state. It's a wild guess. It's supposed but not necessarily true. It's imaginary, not verified. There's no specific area of use. Let's look at how to use this word practically in sentences. I don't wish to waste my time answering to a hypothetical question on cheating which didn't even happen. Hypothetically speaking, what would you do if I crashed our car? The opposition was confusing the voters using hypothetical examples of government's failures. The medical students describe what they would do in various hypothetical emergencies. The general referred to military strategies and reserved hypotheticals. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. Remember, you've got to own it to use it. Merely watching this video once and passing over to another will not help you. Now let's look at some relevant questions. What's a hypothetical example? It's an imaginary example that the speaker creates to explain a complicated topic. This simplifies the topic and helps the layman understand the issue. What does hypothetically speaking mean? It means the speaker is making an assumption for the sake of argument or discussing a point. What's the difference between theoretical and hypothetical? Broadly, both terms are synonymous. It means they have the same meaning. But going a bit deeper, theoretical means it exists as an idea or an abstract but does not have a physical or concrete form. It is not meant to be tested. You don't test theories. But hypothetical is pure guesswork, conjecture. But you test it to know if it's true or false. It's a testable statement. Now let's look at some synonyms here. Debatable, problematic, speculative, assumptive, imaginary, supposed. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.